Hi, I'm Lichi, and today I'm taking you through my portfolio developed for Career Foundry as part of my UX certification course. So, what is ePay? ePay is a responsive web app designed to help users to send money online from the US to India. As part of the project, I designed two more app features that allow users to add multiple bank accounts and help users to know their account balance. The first process was competitive analysis. For the competitive analysis, I took two apps that are available in the market, Google Pay and Venmo. Both the apps provide basic features like sending, requesting money, and Venmo uses social ways to pay it. And Google Pay sends money international to different countries, to two countries. Each part of the product development is challenging as it has to deliver the correct product that satisfies user needs. The results after competitive analysis show most of the features of the app are included in competitor's product, and finding an opportunity in the correct market was tough. There is an opportunity of introducing sending money to different countries and provide offers based on user spending and shopping habits through e-app. For financial stability, users can know their spending habits and they can add multiple bank accounts. The next step in the design process was understanding the user. User interviews and surveys are performed, and I chose three personas based on their needs and goals. What I found in the personas is that the three of them have a common need to send money internationally and to know their account balance. This method helps me to figure out the core functionality of the application. User journey maps helps me to visualize the path of the user task, and it helped me to find out the crucial insights of the services. Once I had a clear list of requirements, I conducted a card sorting exercise, and this helps me to better understand how people expect the content to be organized. Optimal card sort tool is used for the card sort, and I chose 5 individuals and 5 categories and 20 labels I use for the card sorting. These are the result I got after the card sorting, and the popular placement metrics are shown below. After the card sorting, the sitemaps were designed and the wireframes were created based on the new sitemap. Information architecture consists of the wireframing, and so I created wireframes for both mobile and desktop. Through the wireframing, I got an overall idea of how a design will be laid out. These are some of the screens that I have done as part of the wireframing: the login and the account balance, sending money to selected recipients. After the wireframe testing was done, it is called as a usability testing. It was done with 6 participants, moderated online and moderated in-person meetings are done, and I got a clear idea of how users interact with the prototype and its functionalities and how it plays a major role in the Agile framework. After the usability testing, the test reports were generated. Some issues were given by some participants, and the first issue was the name of the icons in the bottom app were missing, and some suggested changes were given, and the second issue was the users were confused seeing the home page. They cannot understand that the account page is the home page. So these two issues were taken care, and new screens were developed based on that. There are few more issues. There are 4 issues, and all the screens were redesigned accommodating all these issues. After the prototype was tested with the participants, a design documentation was prepared for the assets and the delivery process. I have chosen multiple colors based on the requirements, and I have followed the Pruthvik's emotional wheel for the design documentation. The functionalities included in the ePay app are polished and refined, and finally the Figma prototype is designed and developed. This is the Figma prototype. Thank you for watching.